researched how to buy shares of Genworth Financial Inc., a U.S. insurance company specializing in mortgage and long-term care insurance that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GNW. This video is educational only and not investment advice. To buy GNW, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your balance before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GNW to locate the company listing. Select the matching Genworth Financial Inc. entry to open its dedicated stock page. On the stock page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm it is the correct asset. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker GNW before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review order details, and then confirm to place the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your GNW position will appear in your portfolio for ongoing monitoring. A link to the eToro example is in the description if you want to follow the same process.